Hey everybody, this is Rick at Wallace Truck and Equipment in Valdosta, Georgia. Today I want to introduce to you our root picking machine. It's called the Rootster. This here's a model RP10. A little bit about our machine. It is a great root picking machine and it's also a great subsoiling machine. The machine is 35 foot long. It is 9 foot 4 inches tall, weighs around 25,000 pounds. It's 11 foot wide overall width, but it picks a full 10 foot wide path. But to pull this thing, you're gonna need a tractor. On the tractor, you need about a 200 horsepower tractor. It's gonna have to have a pintle hook on it, and it's gonna need 3 remotes. This thing is PTO driven. It comes with a new PTO shaft. Going back to the remotes, the first remote will put the head of this machine in and out of the ground. Typically, we like to see it pick around 10 to 12 inches deep. Second remote runs your conveyor chain, and the third remote runs the 10-yard hopper on the back. Back here we have wide flotation tires, gives it a good stability out in the field. Talk about our rotors and the head of this machine. We've got them set up with remote grease lines so that you can grease the machine daily at the end of each day. It's got 2 rotors on it. Front rotor is built in a spiral configuration. It's got bolt-on teeth. There's 360 bolt-on teeth on it. That rotor flips them to the second rotor. The second rotor flips them to the conveyor chain. Conveyor chain puts it in the hopper. These things, we've been building them since 2010. They have a 1-year warranty on it, on the chassis. We have been building these things since 2010. We also build Wallace lowboy trailers here, and we've been building Wallace lowboy trailers since 1972. We build them in the same factory, same guys, same quality as we build our lowboys. But stop by and see me anytime. I'd love to price one out for you. Get one in your field picking. It's a lot cheaper to pick with this than it is to hand pick them. Give me a call. I'm Rick. Thank you. Have a great day.